What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, I am so glad you guys are back for another video. Today we are doing a highly requested video, and that is my cleaning routine for the week. This is something that's great to implement now that it is a new year. We want to start new habits, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite products, my DIY cleaner, and how I get my house looking tidy in an efficient, fast way. So before we get started, click that subscribe button and follow along on social media because I truly appreciate it, and you guys don't want to miss out on fun content. But with that, let's get started. Now, a few things before we get started. Number one, I always go through the house and do a clean sweep, meaning I pick up anything that's mine and put it in its right place. Number two, I do a purge. So anything that I can see visibly that needs to be chucked, it gets chucked. Number three, I go room by room. I don't do one different step for each room. Like, I don't vacuum the whole house and then, clean every surface area of every room. I do everything room by room. The fourth step is that I always do my floors last because as you're cleaning and dusting, things are getting on the floor, and so you don't want to have to redo your steps. So floors go last. Speaking of floors, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new favorite floor cleaner. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the Bona Premium Spray Mop. Now, the reason I like this for my weekly cleaning is because it's an all-in-one. I don't have to lug around multiple cleaning tools to get the job done. This thing's really durable and lightweight, so it makes everything very easy to maneuver around my house and clean all of my hardwood floors and tile areas. I also like it that it has bumpers, so that way I don't mess up any of our furniture. Now, I purposely didn't clean all of our floors last week so that way you guys could really see what was going on. But I have a cat, Zuka. She leaves fur balls all over the place, and what I love is how easy I can maneuver the Bona mop throughout all of the furniture. It gets into all those hard to reach areas, and it just is so much easier than using any type of heavy vacuum or other piece of equipment. Then I will usually move on to the bathroom. I'll just start by putting products away and then emptying out my trash and then prepare my floors to be clean. So I remove my rug, I go outside and shake it out usually, and then I clean off my scale. So I'm going to use the Bona mop, but just the dry part of it, so that way I can remove all the dust and the hair, take that off, throw it out, and then use the spray to give it a good clean. And then once I'm done with all of my dusting and mopping, I will just remove the pad, rinse it out, wring it, and let it dry for the next use. It's so much more efficient and it saves me money than buying interchangeable pads. Then I just start dusting everything else off, and I like to clean my surfaces with an all-purpose DIY cleaner. It's just 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. It's very healthy. It's non-toxic. It's just water and vinegar, so it's great for all of your surfaces. And then I just use a travel toothbrush to get into all of the nitty-gritty areas. And I do the same thing on my grout in my shower, except I use 1 part water with 1 part baking soda. I let it sit for a little while and then scrub. Now, as you can see, I left this so that way there was a little bit of soap scum, so that way you guys could see how well this works. But I just let it sit there for like 5 minutes, and then I go and scrub and then rinse it with some water. So the first thing I do is make my bed. I've said this before, I do have decorative pillows, but on a day-to-day basis, I just make sure that the bed is made and kept tidy. It just helps me feel at peace and feel a little bit more accomplished during the day. Then I will sort through all of my clothes. Usually I have some clean clothes that I need to put away or fold and what have you, so I will go ahead and do that. And then what I like to do is also sort through my brother's stuff because we do our laundry together usually, so I'm usually folding his clothes as well. I know, I'm a great big sister. Now, of course, I also vacuum my bedroom because it is carpeted. Just wanted to preface that. And then I will sort through my makeup drawers. Now, this is my weekly routine, not my monthly routine. So monthly, I clean my brushes and take all of my makeup out of the containers and the drawers, clean them all out so the drawers are nice and clean because they do get kind of dusty. But on a weekly basis, I just throw things out, and then we'll clean off my vanity area because as the week goes on, it gets messy. And then I use a huge I can't even talk today. Big storage bin to put all of our dirty clothes in. I do mine and Josh's, like I said, lug them all downstairs and throw a load of wash in. Now for the kitchen, this is the most frequented place in our house, so it gets messy very quick. So the first thing that I usually will do is just straighten up, throw anything out that's lingering, paper towels, any kind of recycling, and then I will unload the dishwasher. This is normally Joshua's job, but for the sake of today's video, this does have to get done, so Haley's doing it. If you guys get really bored or distracted while cleaning, I recommend listening to music or an audiobook just to kind of take your mind off of it. I know that's something that I do, especially when I need to just be in the zone, especially when I'm cleaning the kitchen. It just seems so tedious that I get extremely distracted. But I definitely prefer to do the kitchen myself because I have a very specific way that I like to put things away. My brother kind of just has a free-for-all, as you can see with our utensils drawer. I like to stack things in a specific order, whereas he'll just kind of throw whatever wherever, and I end up never being able to find things. Now again, this is a weekly cleaning routine. My monthly is a little bit different. If you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Now for the sink, we have a ceramic sink, so it's white, but it gets dirty very easily. So I just sprinkle baking soda in the bottom with a little bit of lemon or vinegar, and I let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I use a bristles pad to just scrub it. And this usually works really well. Again, it's a very natural way of cleaning, and I like that much better than using harsh chemicals. Now the solution I showed you in the bathroom, that's 1 part baking soda and 1 part water, I also use in the kitchen for like the stove. Now, we made soup last night and it got all over the stove, so I needed to take apart the stove, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna film this and be like real life, because that is literally how it is. My kitchen is rarely spotless. So also, just want to preface, we have a very weird kitchen. The guy who designed it is an artist, and a lot of the materials are very unique, let's just say that. Then I would clean off all of my appliances because they get used so frequently that they just get grimy, you know? So I clean those off. And again, using something that's natural is really good because it's not going to hurt the appliance. And if it does get into the parts that you would be using, it's totally fine. This solution is also really great because you can spray it around your other things that are sitting out, like spatulas and stuff, and you don't have to worry, you know, about ingesting it. It's just vinegar and water. Also, I have a brother who's 18. His friends come over, they leave food out, I put the food away. If you guys want to see a pantry organization video, I would be so down for that. You guys can let me know in the comments. Now the office is my last thing that I clean because it's my space, and I feel like I just like to help out the family first, and then I focus on my areas. So what I will do is pitch anything that's lying around that is either recyclable, things from orders like packaging, tape, things like that can just be thrown out, and then I will straighten up. So I'll fold blankets, put pillows away. I will clean up my desk just to kind of like reset for the week ahead. I'm always taking out tons of props and materials and just lots of stuff in my office for photo shoots and for filming. There's just a lot going on, and it can be very overwhelming and distracting when I move on to the next week. So I definitely like to start off the week with a very clean space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Clean With Me video. If you want to see a monthly version or you want these more frequently, let me know. I would love to do that. And if you would also like to purchase the Bona Premium Spray Mop, I will have links for that down below. Honestly, guys, this is so great. It's so perfect for any household or even like a dorm room because it's so easy to assemble, and you don't have to worry about buying different pads or anything like that. You can just have the refillable cartridge, and it's a dust and a sweeper and a mop all in one. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you do not miss any of my videos. I have my diet series starting this month. I'm super excited about it. You can also follow along on my social media. But until next time, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
It's because it's just going to be freaking awesome.